Hey guys, Rob here with another episode, RV Living Yet. Today we are going to be replacing our bulb seals on our slide outs, and I'd figure I'd take you guys along with me, so let's do it. Alright guys, let me show you here what the slide seal up here looks like. It is shot. And what you can see here is that it actually turns into like a gooey mess when it deteriorates. I didn't realize that at first, but this is completely gone. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this whole top seal here, and I'll take you guys along for that. Alright guys, so I got this on Amazon. I made sure to measure the bottom and the thickness of the bulb seal because there's different sizes. I'll link this below and you can see which one is going to fit for your RV. But it basically has a track on the bottom which is going to slide on the existing track, and then this bulb seal compresses as the slide goes in and makes that seal. So this guy was about $5-6 per foot, and you can order the amount of feet you need for your RV. And like I said, yeah, I'll leave the link below. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pull the slide in about 80% so that I don't have to reach way over or get up on top of that slide. I can actually just sit there and work, just have the slide out a little bit, and then I can access everything I need with the ladder. So let's get going. All right, so that should work. Alright, so my first step here is, as you guys can see, this stuff is just flaking apart and it's really sticky and gooey. So I'm probably just going to cut off the sticky parts so that I can get rid of the silicone top here. And then there's a couple Phillips head screws on either end which hold it in place to keep it from sliding, and I can end up just sliding this off the track. So let me clean this up a little bit first. So I ended up picking up these plastic scraper tool on Amazon as well. I'll leave that link, which is pretty cool. It's actually has little blades, just like a regular metal razor blade, but it's plastic, so it's not going to harm the finish of your RV. You can actually get in there and scrape silicone or any type of sealants. So I like that. And that will loosen this up so that we can take this off of here. Alright guys, so I got the old one off, and I'm just cleaning up all the black stuff and the old, probably looks like ProFlex, and that's what I'm going to use to seal the top again. I'm just using mineral spirit, so that stuff's coming off pretty good. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is what's underneath that bulb seal, is just a track, and we're going to slide the new bulb seal right on that. And then we're going to put those two end screws back in to hold it in place, and we're going to seal the top again with some more ProFlex. So let me do that next. We're going to slide the end of this guy right onto this track. Trying to do this with one hand. Just line it up. slide it on. Alright guys, so we got the new unit in. Not saying it was easy with this arch. Most fifth wheel slides are not going to have the arch like ours did. So it was a little bit difficult getting it on there and up and over. But the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the screw back in right here behind the end of the trim, kind of like they got here. And that holds each end in place, and then I'm going to run a bead of the ProFlex right on the top to seal this up again. Alright guys, so this is the ProFlex RV, and I'll leave a link to this below as well. This is what I use on the exterior when sealing any joints on the RV. This is clear, and I'm going to use this on the top of that rubber seal just to seal it from any rain getting behind there. That's pretty much going to wrap it up for the bulb seals. We're going to end up doing the rest of them on the RV, but I figured I'd bring you along for the first one. That way you can kind of see how it works. The best recommendation that I can make on this is catch it before it starts deteriorating to that goopy mess, because that was just a nightmare to work with. The rest of them look pretty good on the RV and they should go pretty easy. But hopefully you enjoyed the video, hopefully you learned something, and feel free to like, subscribe, share this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.